If you need a quick way to print your schedule, events, or full calendar layout, this video is going to show you exactly how to print calendar views in Google Calendar step by step. Whether you want a day view, week view, month view, or even a year-style layout, Google Calendar makes it easy to get a clean printable version in just a few clicks. And if you want to keep a digital copy instead of using paper, I'll also show you how to save it as a PDF. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tips and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. This works best in a desktop browser because the print options are easier to access and you'll have more control over the layout. Once Google Calendar opens, take a moment to choose the calendar you want to print. If you have multiple calendars, make sure the correct one is visible so the printout includes the events you actually need. Next, select the calendar view you want to print. At the top of Google Calendar, you can switch between different views depending on how you want the schedule to appear. For example, if you need a simple daily schedule, choose Day View. If you want a full work schedule or meeting overview, Week View is a great option. If you want a broader monthly overview, choose Month View. And if you're looking for a longer planning layout, you may also use a year-style view depending on what is available in your calendar setup. After that, navigate to the exact date or time period you want to print. This is important because Google Calendar will print whatever section you are currently viewing. So if you want next week, move to next week. If you want a specific month, make sure you're on that month before printing. Taking a second here helps avoid printing the wrong date range. Now look to the top right corner and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. From the menu that appears, select Print. This opens Google Calendar's print settings page where you can customize how the calendar will look on paper or in a PDF file. On the print screen, you'll see a few important options. First, choose your preferred print range. This lets you control exactly what portion of the calendar gets printed. Then adjust the font size if needed. A larger font can make events easier to read, while a smaller font can help fit more information on the page. Next, choose your orientation. Landscape usually works well for weekly or monthly layouts, while portrait can be useful for simpler day views. You can also choose your color options, which is helpful if you want the printout to match your calendar colors or stay more minimal and ink-friendly. Once everything looks right, click Print. Your browser or system printer dialog will appear next. Here, select your printer from the list if you're using a physical printer, then click Print again to finish the process. If you do not want to print on paper, you can also save the calendar as a PDF. In the printer dialog, simply choose Save as PDF instead of selecting a physical printer. This is a great option if you want to email the calendar, archive it, or keep a backup copy on your computer. And that's it. You now know how to print calendar views in Google Calendar quickly and easily. You can use this method to print a daily agenda, weekly schedule, monthly overview, or any custom date range you need. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.